In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language on your Shopify store. This is a straightforward process, but it's crucial for creating a welcoming shopping experience for your diverse audience. Whether you're reaching out to international customers or just catering to a multilingual community, setting the right language can make a big difference. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to log into your Shopify admin. Once you're in, look towards the lower left corner of your screen. Here you'll find the settings icon, which looks like a little gear. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you can control many aspects of your store, from general settings to specific preferences like language. Now that you're in the settings menu, take a look at the list on the left-hand side. You're going to want to find and click on the Languages option. This section is specifically designed for managing the languages your store supports and can display. Once you're in the Languages menu, you'll see any currently installed languages. If you're planning to add a new language, look for the button that says Add Language. Click on it. This will bring up a list of available languages that Shopify supports. You can browse through this list or use the search function to find the particular language you'd like to add to your store. Selecting a new language is as simple as clicking on it from the list. Once you've made your choice, make sure to confirm your selection. This will install the language onto your Shopify store, allowing customers to switch to it if their browser or personal settings match it. After you've added a new language, you might need to do a bit of customization to ensure everything is just right. Shopify provides the ability to edit translations for various parts of your store. This can be particularly useful if you want to tweak certain phrases or terminologies to better fit your brand or audience. To do this, stay in the Languages menu. You'll see an option to customize translations for each language installed. By clicking on this, you can modify specific text that appears in your store, ensuring it aligns perfectly with your brand voice and customer expectations. And that's it! You've successfully added a new language to your Shopify store. Remember, the ability to offer multiple languages not only enhances user experience, but can also open up your store to new markets and opportunities. Take your time to explore and make sure everything looks perfect. If you have any questions or run into any issues, Shopify's support team is always there to help. Thank you for watching and happy selling with your newly multilingual Shopify store.